Every time you open a new part, you are like, where is the line? Where is the circle? Mouse gestures allow you to access commands that you use most often just with a quick mouse move. Let's get set. On this drop-down, select Customize and then Mouse Gestures. This window will pop out. These are all the gestures used for part, sketch, assembly, and drawing, and these are my favorite gesture commands. To add one, you will just search it here, and then you can drag and drop it where you want. You could use up to 8 gestures, but 4 is my favorite. You can also notice that the up gesture is always Smart Dimension or Tape Measure. This allows me to easily get used to it. I know that mouse up will give me a measuring option and down will bring things to face me. Okay, let's try to use the gestures we set. You will right-click your mouse and hold, then you drag it any direction. There you go, you are doing it. If you drag it left, you get the line. Up Smart Dimension, right is a circle and down is normal to. Let's do the line. Draw a couple of them. Just like that. Oh. We can then do the mouse right gesture to draw a circle here. Then we right click and hold, drag up to dimension our sketch. Great! That is it for mouse gestures. Always be adventurous, set your own and make sure you strike the easiest. The laziest engineer is the best engineer. See you in the next.